Ever get tired of using that old manual post hole digger? Ever wonder if there's something better? Introducing the Predator Gasoline Auger. It's aesthetically pleasing and functional too. Just pull that crank rope, hit the gas, and down it goes. Just run down to your local Harbor Freight with a coupon book and a pocket full of money and you'll be digging holes in no time.
It's so easy a kid can do it.
It's aesthetically pleasing and functional too. Just pull that crank rope,
Daddy, look. Wow.
It's aesthetically pleasing and functional too. Just pull that crank rope,
It looks so easy, doesn't it?
you want to go get it out of the hole and just stand with it and look pretty for a minute.
It's off. No.
That's the choke. Put that back.
Hey guys, if you like my day's video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!